Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is sweet and sour chicken, Hong Kong style. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First, we prepare the sweet and sour sauce. Simply put the ingredients: the ketchup, the white vinegar, sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl and thoroughly mix together. Next, we prepare the chicken. In another bowl, simply put the chicken strips, egg white, soy sauce and the remaining corn flour in and mix it together with your hands. Add a splash of water if you think the batter mix is a bit too dry. Then it's off to 180 degrees C pan of hot oil and fry off the chicken strips in batches. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. I'll speed up the next batch because there's only so much chicken you can watch being fried. When all the chicken is fried, bring the oil back up to temperature and add it all back in for a second frying. This will really crisp up the batter. When the chicken's had its second frying, in a clean frying pan, heat some oil up. When it comes up to temperature, add the peppers, onion and pineapple and fry off for a minute or two. And if you're filming it, try not to get oil on the lens of the camera, as I have. Next, you add the sweet and sour sauce. Turn through the pan, add in a splash of water now and again to achieve the right consistency. When you've achieved the consistency of sauce you like, simply add the chicken back to the pan, turn through the sauce and keep cooking until the chicken is reheated thoroughly. Then simply serve. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you again soon sometime.